Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Benin. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, lot of countries are moving towards e-visas because the way they are easy to apply and the flexibility they offer. So let's go ahead with this. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this e-visa site for Benin. You have FAQs, how it works, everything listed here. And you may want to go with it because that will give you the clear information like like who needs to apply and cost and everything. Once you're on the site, you want to apply for a visa, just click on uh, this one, apply for an e-visa. It will ask you to put your email address, confirm, passport number, passport expiry date, and send. It will send a link. So I'm gonna do that, and then so guys, when you click on the link, it comes to this page. So it's asking group or family trip. So based on your circumstances, you can put the details. Then you can ask multiple people. Okay, but if you're not like individual, just say no. Now you need to do as per your case. This is just sample I am filling up. Of course, I won't be submitting your gender, male, date of birth. Check your passport to do this. Oh, you have to select it from here. Okay. Yes, sample. Place of birth. Country of birth. You can check your passport for these things and make sure it match so that there's no issue. Country of nationality. You can fill the data. Other nationality if applicable. Professions. Wow. Sample. Home address. Yes, sample guys. Country of residence. Once this is ready, next button gets enabled. E-visa duration. I select 30 days. Request from an embassy. I select no. Price is populated. Next. Travel. The date of previous train if applicable. Date of entry when you are entering. I'm just entering this. Residence address where you are gonna stay. Duration of stay. Let's say I say 15 days. But it's in days only. Okay. Country of departure. Let's say do it as per your case. Destination after leaving. Yeah. The country before arrival field is country. Okay, fine. India. Okay. It is mandatory. Means of sustenance. You need to provide all the details like money order and all that you have. Return guarantee. If any question is not clear, you can always click here and find out more information about it. Guarantee. Yeah. You can provide all the dependencies and other things that you have that you will return. Reason for the trip. Tourism. Okay. I let me go next. Okay, now this is gonna be the passport that I entered before. Next, you'll be paying the fee, uploading that, and then that's it. So, and if it is successful, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.